Today we're going to learn how to use Gemini Omni. So right now I'm on the Google AI Plus plan, which is like $2.99 a month. Obviously, as you keep going, it'll be like $6 a month. And going forward, whenever I want to create a video, I'll pay for the plan. Or if there's a good free trial that any tool is offering me, I'll take that free trial. I will test out the tool to the best of that plan. And then you guys will make a decision of whether or not it is something worth paying for. So currently, Gemini Omni is trending. And so I'm going to jump on that trend by creating a video. So with Gemini Omni, you can have a talking pets video. You can create an anime video, 8-bit adventure video. You can create a plush world video, party invite video, classic vlog, noir. I don't know if you guys have seen that Spider Noir with Nicolas Cage. You can create a video game, like video theme, career day, 360 photo booth, origami, comic book. So due to the fact that a lot of people who tend to use a lot of this type of tools or who may like this type of tools may kind of go towards the nerdy side. I'm going to do anime. So I'm just going to click on anime. Let's just see. It says transform a scene into anime. Add your avatar. Well, let's test this out. Add avatar. It says take a quick selfie and bring your avatar and voice to any scene in one tap. Try now. Let me see. Snap. I'll have to sign in through my phone. I don't want to do all that. Let me just go through the normal method. You guys can do the avatar yourself. But let's just do the anime. And I'm just going to say transform a scene to anime. I'm just going to say create a scene of a superhero saving a, let's see, saving a cat from a dragon. This is a good anime thing. And so it gives you two options. You want a landscape or do you want it portrait? Let's go portrait because a lot of people tend to watch a lot of this type of catchy videos tend to watch a portrait. Obviously, landscape for each. For Facebook is square. So let's just go with portrait. So let's just click on submit. Right now it's defining the prompt and it's generating the video. So let's just wait a couple minutes. Obviously, I'm going to cut the video, but let's just wait a couple minutes. Okay, well, that didn't even take a minute, but the video itself is ready. So let us watch the video. So this is the video right here. It says your video is ready. So let's just watch the video. Hopefully sound is on now. Hopefully you guys can hear it. Let me just click.
Hang on tight, little one!
That is so cool. What? Did y'all see that? Hopefully you guys can hear it. But this is what the video looks like. Well, that is cool with the graphics and everything. If you guys just want to keep creating more videos, you click on the open sidebar on here, and then you just click on videos right here. And let's just see. If you click on videos, then it gives you this. It tells you try a template or describe a video only. Let's do 8-bit adventure. This looks like Among Us. So let's just say create a scenario. A main character, I'll make it like Street Fighter. A main character fighting his arch nemesis. There's some cool stuff. Now, did I spell scenario correctly? Oh, this is how you spell scenario. I'm just going to click on the blue, submit. It's going to define the goal. And then obviously I'm going to cut it if it's going to take a minute to do it. It may not take a minute like the last one. It did not take a minute. And this is what it looks like. Boy, right Street Fighter mode. Just like I said, I wanted a Street Fighter mode. Let's go. So this is the video right here. You can download the video. You can share the video. If you click on share video, it will give you an opportunity to share it on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, X, Reddit. And you can also mute the video if you want. I'm not going to mute the video. Instead, I'm just going to play the video. Hopefully you guys can see it and you guys can hear it. This is me, I believe, and this should be the arch nemesis.
You cannot defeat me!
Watch me try!
That is so cool. What? Bro, this stuff, I'm telling you, is for me, it's worth the money. Snap. I only paid $2.99 and I'm on the AI Plus plan. Let me create another one. Videos again. I just create this should be the last one because obviously I don't want to go ahead and create on all the modules. Let me see. I wanted to give me one of those templates again. And just click on videos. If not, I can just ask it a question. New chats, videos. Okay, describe your video. I just say, create a plush video of, what's a good plush video? Let me see. Create a plush video of an alien throwing a frisbee to learn a frisbee for a dog. Frisbee. I'm just come up with this stuff in my head. You can come up with yours. Mine is just, I'm just trying to, how to say portrait. Portrait. Well, let me just take out the portrait. Let me see if he asks me for further prompting. I'm just going to click on submit and I'll see what it gives me. Okay. It just says I'm generating a video. This could take a few minutes. It didn't ask me for any specifics or anything. Oh, so I think we're out with, I've pretty much exhausted my plan for the day. So the 299 gets me, I believe, 2 videos. Since I can't create more videos for you today, but I can still find videos from the web. So the 299 was able to get me 2 videos that were 20 seconds long. One was an anime video. The other was, let me say it again. The other was the 8-bit video. So the first one, the second one was this one right here. This was the anime with the 8-bit video that looks like Street Fighter. And the first one I was able to create was this one that is the superhero anime video right here. And I was able to do it for $2.99 for 10 seconds. I mean, the graphics are good. Let me not even lie. The graphics are really good. I mean, hopefully you guys can see what I saw. The graphics are good. So you can pay for the higher tier plans and you'll be able to create more videos, longer videos, landscape that you can go ahead and start something from. You can use it to create an ad for an app that you have or an ad for a product that you're trying to sell, I believe. And it's a good tool so far. And hopefully you guys, this video that I showed you guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below what you think about the tool and whether or not you feel you're going to pay the fee, the AI plus fee or Google Gemini just to have access to Omni. So let me know what you guys think. I appreciate you guys for watching this video and I'm going to catch you guys next week.